Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. So you remember Cindy went online and she was crying on Instagram but she didn't really say inkinga ngini. So people just assumed no man, the person that ubonana no Cindy nguye inkinga, nguye okhalisa ugeli. So kanti akunjalo guys. It happens Cindy went live again on Instagram explain ukuthi guys nikeni kube lokho lithega umntana abantu likhuluma izinto eziyalo kuphela. Whatever that is happening to her, it's not about umfana. And she also mentioned ukuthi the time when she went on live, she was emotionally and stuff, and she cried before live. She tried calling abantu, but people didn't pick up so that she can vent to them. So it accidentally happened ukuthi wagcina sengumuntu okhala life, and then she's not that person. And she also spoke with whatever that is happening in her life is not about financial or whatsoever, but some of the things it's because of a family. So, and what it's childhood trauma, things that she didn't manage to overcome and understand. And then she also spoke about something like she was scared to hurt herself. Maybe that's or the other reason why she decided guys, you don't decide anyway. Maybe she became just emotional life, and when the tears were already near. So what I asked guys mina yakhala ngiyasihita. So anyway guys, I just attached a video Cindy explaining what exactly is happening and begging at the same time because it's so unfair. Now you're pointing fingers at him, yet he's not at fault. But anyway guys, please do comment below and let me know what you have to say about this. And please guys, if you haven't subscribed, please guys do me the honor and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hi guys, Ninjan. I hope you guys are okay. The past 3 or 2 days. When was Sunday? What day is it today? I don't know. But I went on a live video and I was crying, and my crying bengingasho ukuthi khona umuntu ongenze ini. Like bengingasho ukuthi khona umuntu ongenze ini. I before I went live, I cried. I called the people that I could have cried to without me involving social media. But they did not pick up. Like, I needed to speak to someone. I needed to speak to someone so bad. But they did not pick up their phones, my friends. I tried calling my dad, but onke pick up on the phone. That was when I ended up going live. So me crying on a live video, I was just going through shit impilo nje ayikho right currently. Ayikho right, I won't lie. It's not even financially or romantically or whatever the case may be. Also, my main concern is you guys are involving the poor guy, nikhuluma ngegama lakhe and niyamfaka as if I was literally just reflecting on stuff. I was going through some things, also a bit of family stuff. So for you guys to actually keep mentioning him and nimfake khulumeni kwizinto angahlangene nazo, it's not nice. It is not nice. So mina as intombazane, as uSindi, so now angisakwazi ukuba nempilo ngaphandle kokuthi kumele kuhlale kufakwa abafana empilweni yami. Angisakwazi ukuba nempilo, angisakwazi ukukhala, angisakwazi ukuzizwa nje ngiphansi because nizothi vele abafana. It's not about that. It's not always about that. It is not always about that. There's stuff I'm still going through. There's stuff I went through at a younger age. There's trauma that I haven't dealt with. And every time I drink or every time I just sit alone and in a dark space, I just overthink. Honestly, I tried calling my friends before ngibe live. I tried. akekho ubambile ucingo, and I was scared that I might just harm myself, whatever the case may be, honestly speaking. But for you guys to like tag omunye umuntu ongenzanga lutho, ongenzanga lutho, ongangeni nokungena, like angangeni nokungena ndawo, but you guys still went ahead namteka, ya vele wena, or ya vele cha guys, impilo revolve around abafana, ngumuntu wesifazane, ngumuntu, besides kube umuntu wesifazane, ngumuntu also, besides being uSindi, ngumuntu. I'm allowed to be like that. I'm allowed to be vulnerable. I'm allowed to feel like that. You guys, the people who have been following me, they've been following me by yazi ukuthi I don't just go live crying on a live video. I do not do that. But I just needed, I don't know what I needed. I wasn't going to go live also. Like literally, I wasn't going to go live. But for you guys to drag other people into my situation that I am going through alone. If there's one person you need to drag, is me. If you want to feel sympathy for me, you do that. If you don't want to feel sympathy, but I was going live because I really needed to talk to someone, or else also, I just want to say thank you to the people about showed all those kind words, and nalaba kade behleka futhi ngiyabonga futhi nakunina nikwenze nakwabanye. Like I really loved it. I still love it. But all I'm trying to say, the point that I'm trying to get out there is that not everything is about abafana, guys. Like I can't be going through my shit and breaking down. You know how, like, it took a lot for me to go live and fucking cry like that. It took a lot for me. Angiyenzi leyo nto, but lento lenkinga lengibhekene nayo manje, Nkosi yami, ningamfaki umfana, akangeni ndawo, Nkosi yami, akangeni ndawo. You guys keep tagging the poor person, the poor guy. Like, why do you keep doing that? Like, give him isikhathi sakhe ne-respect yakhe, nimkhiphe enkingeni zami. Like, why do you guys keep doing that? Like, it's not nice. It is not nice, because nami mengase ngizifake ecathuleni zakhe. Like, how, dog? Why is it every time I'm going through stuff now, you know, seniyamdrega? Like, no, ngiyacela siyiyeke leyo nto leyo, because hayi yonke into eyenzakalayo la emhlabeni or empilweni yami ehlanganisa abafana. It's not always about that. It is not always about that. It is not always about that. But ngiyabonga, guys. Thank you for ukungilalela.